The U.S. Department of Justice is suing Norfolk Southern in response to February's toxic train derailment in East Palestine.
The lawsuit was filed in Ohio this morning, about 2 months after the disaster and 2 weeks after the state of Ohio filed its own lawsuit against the company. NBC4's Jamie Ostroff is here to break down this latest legal action. Jamie?
Yes, it's pretty straightforward. The lawsuit claims Norfolk Southern violated the Clean Water Act and that the company is liable for the money the government spent for that massive cleanup effort. February 3rd, 38 rail cars careened off the tracks in East Palestine, Ohio. According to this lawsuit against Norfolk Southern filed Friday by the U.S. Department of Justice, 11 of those cars contained hazardous materials, with high levels of exposure to those materials linked to an increased risk of cancer, increased risk to fetal development, organ damage, and other health conditions. Another 5 cars were carrying oil. We still have not learned the full scope of the damage caused by the fiery, toxic derailment.
The way in which those materials escaped into the environment, we're still doing air testing, we're still doing soil testing, we're still doing water testing.
But environmental lawyers like OSU Law School Associate Dean Cinnamon Carlarn say lawsuits like this one can help us answer those important questions.
We're still really learning a lot about the company itself and its practices, past and present, that may have affected this disaster.
The DOJ's lawsuit claims Norfolk Southern violated the Clean Water Act in 2 ways: by spilling pollutants into the waters of the United States and spilling oil or hazardous substances into the waters of the United States. The complaint asks for more than $64,000 per violation per day for the pollutants and more than $55,000 per day for the hazardous substances.
So there's factual questions that would have to be settled about how many violations there were and how long each one of those violations was ongoing, because of course there could be some differences just based on kind of when they were able to contain different sites.
Then there are the costs of the cleanup and response, which the lawsuit says Norfolk Southern should cover under the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act,
which is designed to deal with big disasters like this and big, waste sites.
Norfolk Southern issued a statement in response to the lawsuit, writing, quote, "Our job right now is to make progress every day cleaning up the site, assisting residents whose lives were impacted by the derailment, and investing in the future of East Palestine and the surrounding areas. We are working with urgency at the direction of the U.S. EPA and making daily progress. That remains our focus and we'll keep working until we make it right." The company noted that it has committed nearly $28 million to East Palestine and the surrounding area. I asked Carlarn how this new lawsuit would impact the one that was already filed by Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost, which claims Norfolk Southern was negligent and violated multiple state laws. She said not only can these 2 lawsuits coexist and unfold at the same time, the facts that emerge from one can actually help inform the other. You can read both of those lawsuits at NBC4i.com.